See, there are basically different causes that can damage the ball. One is that because of the injury, anytime the patient falls or sometime old fall, then that ball is damaged. It's a very smooth gliding surface present over the ball called a cartilage. If the cartilage gets damaged or the ball get damaged due to fall, then there is a fracture, old fracture which is joined in a very bad way, or because the cartilage cap got damaged due to the fall. In that case you start getting pain. So that is one part, and as a result, because it is irregular, it keeps on rubbing onto the cup and the cup get damaged. Or in other words, if the cup is damaged and the ball is okay, but the cup surface, again the cartilage cap is damaged, the ball get damaged. So as a result, either of these two, when they damage, the nerves that are present below the cartilage in the bone, that gets irritated and causes pain. So basically this is one cause, is post traumatic or injury. Second cause is in young adults or any other age group also. The blood supply to the ball, which comes from below to the top, gets damaged, which is called avascular necrosis, and that causes damage. So third cause is an infection, old infection like TB or any septic arthritis that has happened long back, where there is a septic infection, the ball and socket gets damaged. In that case, we need to change the ball and socket. These are the three major causes. Other causes are there which are minor, like injury, trauma, tumors or other causes are there, but these are the basic three causes that happen most commonly in India. And when it gets damaged, then we call it arthritis, osteoarthritis. Fourth common cause is, again, it is a immunological, called rheumatoid arthritis. So there are four causes now. One is that post traumatic or post injury. Second is your avian or avascular necrosis, where blood supply to the femoral head is damaged. Third is because of the infective cause, TB or septic arthritis. Fourth is most common is rheumatoid arthritis. So these are the four causes that damages your ball and socket joint.